I'm Murphy. This is my channel, Murphy's Every Whim, where I talk about books because I love to talk about books. And one of the best things to talk about books is when you're doing an unboxing. So I have a box here. It's not from Amazon, but it's got one of the Amazon sayings on it, which is one of my favorite sayings. And so, you know, whoever sent it to me just reused an Amazon box. And it is full of Perry Mason books. So let's open it up and see what we have. Haven't even cut the tape yet. And you never know how whoever packed it is going to pack the books. These are packed nicely. They used, in fact, I might have to dump these out. I don't think I can get them out by lifting them out. So they've taken plastic wrap, what I would call saran wrap, and they've bundled them up, which is actually kind of nice. As much as I don't like to contribute plastic to the system, I really like packing things in this plastic. I do that a lot when I'm trying to move my artwork from one place to the other, especially since, excuse the sounds, I use this plastic wrap to pack up my artwork when I'm moving it from place to place, especially since I do assemblage, and sometimes there are pieces that in shipping could fall out, and so that way everything that was supposed to be with one artwork is still with it. I also have a little gravelly voice. These are in really good condition. And so I'm not going to go through all of them. There should be 37 of them, and there are 37 of them. Yes, I can count pretty fast. It's a geeky thing, but these are in really good shape. Well worth the money I paid for them. The case of the drowsy mosquito. That sounds interesting. I don't know if these are going to be put into, so they're not original. Not original, what do I want to say? You know, publications. These have been republished, and these were selling for $5 in the US. And I got them for a little less than that. But, so, I have 37 Perry Mason books to read. I'm going to go through them and see what order, which ones that I got, I don't know yet, and see what numbers of the Perry Mason books I have. And I'm guessing one of these I already own, because I do have one. So anyway, that's my box of Perry Mason books, and that's all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Take care.